This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Start by removing the air intake damper unit. This is a simple push fit. Slacken, but do not remove, the outlet hose clip. Release the clip and prise the complete assembly free from the slam panel grommet. Detach the outlet hose and breather hose as the housing is removed. Release the spring clips and separate the halves of the air filter housing. Lift the filter element from the housing. Remove the foam filter and remove any debris from the housing. Refit the foam filter and locate the new filter element in the housing, ensuring the rubber seal is uppermost. Refit the cover and secure it with the spring clips. Maneuver the filter housing into place, reconnecting the outlet hose and breather hose as it's refitted. Secure the breather hose into the retaining clip. Press the assembly down into the rubber grommet and ensure the retaining clip engages correctly. Check that the outlet hose is fully fitted, then tighten the hose clip. Press the air intake damper unit down into the filter housing.